calling technical support. My name is Anand. How may I help you?
Hi, Alan. This is Jack Althofer. My son last night was using my computer, and a dialogue popped up saying that let's see, I've got a picture of it here. Said that that the computer has been blocked, and he was supposed to log in to something. It also said, please do not restart your computer. But he just shut the computer off. But when we started the computer up today, it's fine. He did take a picture of the screen though, so I thought I'd better call. And it seems like maybe it was just some sort of mistaken dialogue, but I wanted to kind of make sure.
Okay. So what exactly the dialog box you have right now?
Well, I thought I did a pretty good job of explaining this, but none right now. I can give you I can tell you what the dialogue did say because he took a picture of the screen. But it said we'd been blocked, but upon restart of the computer, there's no dialogue and it's operating fine. So I guess there was just some sort of mistake or something. We're not blocked, as far as I can tell.
Okay. So what exactly the help you're looking for right now?
I don't know how to explain it any more clearly than what I've said already.
Okay, just share the remote. What I can do for you, just share the remote, I'll check. Are you in front of your computer?
I am.
Okay. So what you can do, sir, you need to, first of all, click on Internet Explorer.
Okay. Let's see what that's at here.
Did you click on that?
I'm working on it.
Okay.
I don't normally use that program, so. Okay, there it is.
Now, on the Internet Explorer, confirm which website is open in front of you.
Well, it's starting up here, so I'm not sure.
You're not sure which website is open up?
It's opening up. It's not fully loaded here.
Okay. Let it be.
It's probably been quite a while since Internet Explorer has been allowed to run, so.
Okay.
Oh, I guess it just comes up to a blank page.
It comes up with a blank page.
Oh, no, I'm
now
sorry. There
go
it is.
to the
There it is. It went to Google.
Go to the address bar of your Internet Explorer that is up at the top, which starts with http://www.google.com. Can you see the address bar?
Okay.
You need to open a website.
Hang on a second. Internet Explorer's making some demands of me here. Because it looks like maybe it's never even been run on this computer. Okay, what do you want into the address bar?
Please type www. Fast support, F as in Foxtrot, A as in Alpha, S as in Sugar, T as in Tango, S as in Sugar, U as in Uniform, P as in Papa, P as in Papa, O as in Oscar, R as in Romeo, T as in Tango.com.
Okay.
And hit enter.
Alright, looks like it's doing something. I'm not sure.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
So, do you type www.fastsupport.com?
I did type that in, and it's the little wheel is kind of spinning, suggesting that
Okay.
it's trying, but
Okay.
I would bet that Chrome's a lot faster. You want me to try that?
Mm. Yep, you can.
Okay, I'll just leave this going, and I'll just open up Chrome separately here.
Hello?
I'm still here.
Mhm. So on the Google Chrome, you need to go to the address bar that is up at the top.
Yeah,
and please
I got
type.
it. I got it. I'll just do the same thing, huh?
What you're typing on the address bar.
www.fastsupport.com. Okay.
Yes.
Establish support connection.
Type your first name.
Okay. It wants a key of some kind.
Yes, I'm giving you the support key. Let me generate that for you, okay, sir?
Okay.
So the support key is 686
Okay.
600 428.
Okay. You better click the continue button
Now
then?
click on continue. Yep.
Okay. I went ahead and closed Internet Explorer. It finally made its way there, but okay. Let's see. Run go to
You're using the
assist
Google
launcher.
Chrome. Yep.
I
Run
see
it.
Okay.
Run the file.
Okay. Installing GoToAssist customer, registering GoToAssist service, connecting to GoToAssist.
All right.
What was your name, sir?
My name is Anand.
I'm sorry, can you say that again?
My name is Anand. Anand.
Okay.
Just click on yes.
Oh, okay, I see. Anand Jai. Or is it Jai, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Alright, so now you can see that I'm moving a mouse cursor on your computer screen. So I have a control on your computer. Leave the mouse.
Okay.
Can you see that, sir?
I don't really see the cursor moving, but I see stuff happening.
Can you see that now?
I can't really see the cursor moving, but I could tell that you'd been clicking on some things. Like
Okay.
I just saw Chrome go away.
Okay. So first of all, just confirm me one thing. What all the problems are you facing with the computer?
Well, I guess I can't really explain it any differently than what I have already said, although that really didn't register with you. That my son yesterday was using the computer, and he got this a dialogue popped up on the screen, and apparently it was making an awful racket. I wasn't around when it happened. It warned him. Let's see. Please do not restart your computer. What else did it say here? I've got a picture of the screen. Microsoft detected Zeus virus, and these infections indicate that some unauthorized file, something, authentication required. Then it popped up a dialogue for a username and password, which he didn't know what that was supposed to be, and it had your guys' phone number with the text that says your Windows computer has been blocked. Windows system alert. Your system is infected. Contact technician. Now it turns out that he.
All right.
It turns out he did end up
I
restarting
understand.
the computer, and now we don't have that dialogue. So.
I understand it. Let me tell you one thing, sir. You gotta use Trojan virus on your computer. Okay? You got a Trojan virus in your computer. Can you see that? First thing, you do not have the antivirus protection on your computer. Your computer is not at all secure against the viruses, malwares, and the spyware. Okay? All right, sir.
Well,
Then what I
I
can
do have Windows Defender, but and I also have Malwarebytes.
Sir, Windows Defender is a Windows firewall. Okay? Malwarebytes is an anti-malware software. And Malwarebytes is not an antivirus software. Okay? It is just an anti-malware software.
Well,
all right, sir. And what I can see that yes, the Malwarebytes is installed in your computer.
That's not compatible with my understanding.
Right, exactly. No, sir. Let me tell you one thing. Malwarebytes is compatible, okay? But unfortunately, Malwarebytes is not an antivirus software.
No,
okay?
I understood your words.
Mm-hmm. All right. Then second, the files which I'm opening that for you, these are the junk files which is there in your computer. There are lots of junk files which is already there in your computer. We need to get that removed for you.
Okay.
Okay, can you see this junk files?
I see those windows, yes.
Then, I'm checking the viruses as well, okay? Then you can see this one. So there are lots of unwanted files which has been there accumulated in your computer, which keeps on increasing on the daily basis. It makes your computer really very slow. Okay? So you need to ensure that your computer should be functioning properly, okay? You should not have any kind of issues with your computer, okay?
Have I called Microsoft?
Sir, let me tell you one thing. We are the technical support for Microsoft. United Net Solution is the technical support for Microsoft.
So are you hired by Microsoft or?
Sir, Microsoft only give you the professional support on domain customers. So for their home consumers, if you try to open their own home consumer support, then you think about it, that's going to be they'll not do that. They just provide the support to the domain related issues, okay, to the domain customers. All right? Okay. And can you see this one, sir?
I see a window there.
You got a wonderful, yes, you got a wonderful computer. You got an i7 processor with a 4 gigabytes of RAM installed in your computer. An i7 processor is the world's fastest processor. I must say that to you. Okay? Then let me check whether your Windows are getting updates or not, because I understand that through the website you are getting recommended for quite a long time to update your computer to Windows 10. Right? Okay, sir.
No, I don't think I've seen that on here. I have seen that on computers, but I don't recall actually seeing it here.
What you're talking about, sir?
Well, I was answering your question.
So let me tell you one thing, because let me tell that to you. You do not have the antivirus software, sir. First drawback. Then your Windows are not getting any kind of updates from Microsoft because the automatic update has been disabled on your computer. Then so many junk files which is already there in your computer, you do not have the backup for whatever the data which you have installed in your computer. Your personal files, folders, application, pictures, documents, things which you have stored in your computer, you do not have the backup for all of your data.
Well, I do manually back that up.
Alright, so I'm just running a scan on your computer, sir, okay? It's a network diagnostic scan which I'm performing on your computer. So, whatever the problems which you have on the network, it will let us know the exact result for the same.
Okay.
Okay, sir?
All right.
And how many person use this computer apart from you?
Well, my son's not really supposed to, but he does periodically, so mostly me.
Okay. Mostly you. So when your son is using this computer, I'm sure he must be using this computer for the gaming purposes, right?
I don't think so. I think he was looking some stuff up for his schoolwork. So
Okay.
I don't have
So
I don't
did
have
you
much of a
ever
video
check
card
that?
in this, unfortunately.
Okay. So did you ever check which all websites he randomly go?
Yeah, I watched that.
Okay. Because sir, over here you can see that a couple of services is running on your computer, but most of the services have stopped working. Okay.
Where does it say that?
Couple of Microsoft services is running on your computer, but most of the Microsoft services has stopped working. Okay.
Which ones have stopped?
I'll show you, sir.
Okay.
I'm just showing that to you, okay?
Okay.
So give me a moment.
Well, I should get some of my junk off this computer. That scan's taking a long time.
Yes, sir, because malware bytes scan is something that can only go ahead and detect the malwares which you have on in your house, in your premises, okay? But the malware bytes can only take care of the malware-related problem. It will not give you the real-time protection.
Well, there is
Okay.
there is an option for real-time protection. I think it's like $15 for a lifetime license, but I just use Windows Defender. I know it's not really the best one out there, but I kind of like that it's from Microsoft. And
So let me
don't,
tell you one thing. Windows
Okay.
Windows
Why don't you
Defender
go
is
ahead
a
and just
Windows
talk right over the top
firewall.
of me here, then.
Okay, I'll explain that to you, sir. Windows Defender is a Windows firewall. It's not an antivirus software at all, okay? It is just a firewall which gives you the temporarily protection on your computer. Got my point? But if you are looking for the permanent resolution with Windows Defender, it cannot be possible. Because the performance which can be done by the antivirus software cannot be done by the Windows Defender or any other free software. You should understand that, sir. Because basically you need the real-time protection against the viruses, okay? And in real-time scenario, what happened that most of the time when you try to go to any website, you just get the pop-up. Okay, sir?
Okay.
So that's what is happening with your computer, because in real-time protection, which you should be getting, you're not getting that up. That is lacking behind from your computer. Okay?
I guess.
That is not there. So let me check. I'm just running a diagnostic test. That's the diagnostic for the network, that how secure your network is. It will let us know about it. And
That's that black screen back there. That's the network diagnostic.
exactly, it's a network diagnostic test. That if there would be any of the issues on the network, it will diagnose and let us know about it. Okay. So that's the reason I'm running a network diagnostic test. Then I'm checking the performance of your computer.
All right.
And performance, you can see that that is not up to the mark. Sometimes it is on 0 CPU usage, sometimes it is on 100. Can you see that?
Yep.
It's on 100 right now, then sometimes it's on 0. Alright, so that's something, it decreases down the life of the hardware, okay? The hardware life will decrease because of this. Then the networking source, I can see that it doesn't indicate anything on the networking source. It seems like that the networking is slow on the new organization as well.
Well, our where we're at here, we live outside of Metropolis, and the internet's just not that great out here.
All right. Okay, then it's great.
So, I'd like it to be better, but it's a consequence of the wire, I think, not the machine.
Okay. Okay, and sir, could you please tell me which state you are calling from?
I'm in Illinois.
Illinois. So how's the weather over there in Illinois?
It's good.
It's good.
At least my part
okay. And if you don't mind, sir, may I ask you what's your profession?
I design outbuildings.
Okay.
I'm not really an architect, but or an engineer, but I do work based on architectural and engineering plans.
Okay. In the meanwhile, sir, the scan is in progress. I'll check few other things on your computer. Yes, it indicates that in the black scan, it indicates that the virus is there on your computer.
How can you read anything from that?
No, the analyzer where I can check. All right, sir. So here we go.
Pardon?
Just here we go. I'm going ahead and running a scan on the computer as well, okay? Because it seems like that there are lots of viruses which is already there in your computer that has to be taken care of.
So all of that stuff in that black window is a virus?
I'm sorry?
All of those things in that black window are viruses?
That is showing that what all unsecure website you have been to. Okay? There are two kinds of websites. One is the secure website, one is unsecure website. Okay? Now you probably think that what is secure website and what is unsecure website.
Well, I was just wondering how you drew the conclusion that this computer is full of viruses.
Sir, because first thing, computer was unprotected for quite a long time. Second thing is that you recently you got a pop-up on your computer yesterday, right? Am I correct?
Yeah, there was.
Third thing is that the most of the Microsoft softwares, the drivers of your computer has been corrupted. Okay, computer is freezing up on you when you're using the computer. It's freeze up.
Well,
am I correct?
I haven't seen that, no.
But sir, that's the thing is because when I'm using the computer, it freeze up sometime.
Well,
so you have this problem where the computer is freezing up on you.
Well, you have that problem apparently. I haven't seen that.
Okay. And on top of that, I see that The configuration is lovely. You got an i7 processor, so I must say that to you. This is the best computer you purchased, sir. That it seems like that it's one of the best computer you purchased. So in the meanwhile, the scan is in progress. I'll check. All right. So over here, the scan has been finished completely. Can you see that, sir?
I see that.
So over here, it says. Can you see that? Right here, it says Jack system hacked. Can you see that?
I see those words.
Internet hacked. Error code. This is the error message are you getting, sir? So your computer has been hacked right now, sir. Okay, somebody hacked into your computer.
Well,
And we need to remove those hackers first, okay? Let me check. And this hackers needs to be removed, sir, okay? So you can see, Jack, this is your IP address. Can you see this? 192.168.2.136.
I see that.
Okay. Now, I'm showing you something. Can you see that? Hacker instruction unblocked. So hacker doesn't let you to do anything on your computer.
Well,
Did you get the red alert?
It said hacker intrusions have been blocked. That sounds like a good thing.
Let me tell you one thing. That error message has been given by the hacker itself. Okay? I'm showing that to you, okay? This one you're talking about, hacker intrusions have been blocked. All right? This has not been blocked. This has been because of the hacker who controlled your computer, sir. Okay? Your computer has been controlled and monitored by the hackers.
Well,
You got my point.
Anand,
Because of that, they send you this
on
message.
Hang on a second, Anand. This just seems kind of stupid. You've said some things here that aren't true. So I have some real doubts as to your sincerity, and I think I'll just figure it out for myself. But I appreciate your time today.
Sir, as I said that to you, this problem can be fixed only by the certified technician, with the certified expert to work on it and get that problem resolved. Okay?
Then I guess I'll find a certified technician. But in talking with you, I have some grave doubts about your capability, and I think maybe you're not being truthful with me. So I thank you for your time.
Listen, sir, am I not being truthful with you? As I said that to you, the moment I took the remote access, I said that to you, you do not have antivirus software.
Well, that was one thing that raised kind of a red flag, but the big one is you've closed.
What red flag? There is no red flag. You can see that up. On the flag, there's no red.
A red flag is a metaphor. You've said some things that made me doubt you. Probably the biggest one, though, is that when you had the command line up and you said hackers, I can't remember exactly what the text said. You've closed the window now. That had just been typed in. You could see it was just right after a prompt. That wasn't a result of that scan. That scan just showed what files were on my computer. So I don't think someone can be dumb enough to think that that's a scan. I think you were hoping to think I was dumb enough to think it was a scan.
Okay, then if you think like that, then I'll show you something.
Alrighty.
you have the doubts or the question, then I'm showing you something.
All right. I've pretty much given up on this, so be quick about it.
Hello?
I'm still here.
Okay, I'm showing you. It's just spinning. Alright, so you can see that, sir. What you would say about this, all these event logs.
Yeah.
What would you say about that? These are the event logs which is there in your computer.
That's right.
Alright, so initially your computer, because the computer works in the binary language, so whenever you have any kind of issues with your computer first give the information. Later on, that information turns to the warning, then it turns to the error on it. And gradually, these errors become more critical and complex, where you will barely use your computer. Okay?
Well, I hear the words that you're saying, but these don't indicate that I've been hacked or that I have viruses.
Sir, that is something completely indicate that to you. Okay? It has been. So it's not like that. But let me tell you one thing, you have the hacker, somebody hacked into your computer, and then you just go ahead and check that for you. Because you didn't keep your computer unprotected, then you didn't concern about this problems which you are facing. Alright, I'm showing you something. Give me a moment, sir.
Oh, look, another one just happened.
Can you see all these errors and the warning, sir?
I can.
Alright. So these errors has to be fixed right now, okay? That came through the cool phase.
Okay.
Cool.
No.
So let us go ahead and
why
work
on
on your
Earth would
computer.
Coopface report itself in the event viewer?
I'm sorry?
Why on earth would Coopface report itself in the event viewer? The event viewer is like a system log, programs
Exactly.
information
So
to
how
that
it works?
intentionally.
Let me tell you how it works. Sorry to interrupt you. How it works? Computer works in the binary language. So whenever you have any kind of issues with your computer, first it gives the information, right? If you do not take care of that information, you go ahead and leave the information the way it is. Gradually it turns to the error. Warning, sorry about it. Then that particular warning turns to the error on it.
It's
and
just
then
not.
it's critical.
It's just not true what you're saying. So, I appreciate your. Well, I don't particularly appreciate it, but I think I've had enough of your efforts today, and you have a good remainder of the day. All right.
Thank you. Thank you for your time and patience. You have a great